Here we are, spot number 11 at McDonald Campground up here by Green Mountain Reservoir. Got a great spot right here. We've got a bear box so we can store our food tonight. Nice little fire ring, picnic table. Look at that. What do you think, Penny? Hey Penny, what do you think about this spot? Nice, huh? It's a good one. We're pretty much all unpacked here. I'm gonna whip up a little lunch here, and then we're gonna take a ride. You got the bike, Penny's chilling in the shade. Got the cabin pretty well unpacked. Just getting ready to cook up a little bit of noodles and eggs. And then one of the great things here at this location is we have a bear box that we can lock tonight. So we have a whole pantry of food. Look at that. Pie. We can make s'mores. So we're all set. Sun came out. Turned into an absolutely beautiful day. It was supposed to storm all day, but we never believe anything. Hey, check this little thing out I got at a garage sale. It's an old-fashioned wind meter. That little ball comes up to tell you what the wind is in miles per hour. If it gets up over 10, the ball drops down, and then it goes to the high range. Pretty cool. Look at that. I'm gonna whip up the simplest lunch there is, and I'm gonna do a little bit of chicken ramen, and then I'm gonna drop a couple eggs in there. It's nice when you're camping if you can utilize the same products for a few different meals, so we'll be able to have a couple of eggs for lunch today, and then have the rest of them for breakfast tomorrow. We're gonna have a little Zatarain's dirty rice for dinner. We'll fire that up a little bit later. Turned out to be quite a day out here. We could get some storms yet, but that remains to be seen. Time for a little lunch for Penny too, huh? Good. You want some more over there? There we go. Chicken egg drop soup. Campside. Looks good. Carbs and protein. Hello. Well, I didn't think we were going to get it, but that little cloud came over and we ended up getting a little rain after all. So Penny and I just shut it down here, and we're just chilling inside the cabin for a few minutes. Penny's sitting right on my lap here, so I can't really lay down, but I'm going to move her in just a sec so I can get cozy. Looks like a little bit of rain coming in. We might be stuck just for a few minutes. It probably won't last. What do you think, Penny? Think it's gonna last, huh? No, it won't last. Aw. The rain has ended. For a little while anyway. Looks nice out there. What do you think, Penny? We gonna go for a walk? Should we go for a walk? You want to? Okay. Okay. I think she wants to. We're getting ready to go for a walk. Maybe go for a bike ride too, huh? Yeah? What do you think? Let's go look. Man, we got rained out of our dinner and our fire. But we're just chilling inside the cabin here, right, Penny? Still good, right? Yeah. I got a little DVD player here. Gonna pop in a movie. Brought Interstellar and Ex Machina just in case I don't like that one, so we're just gonna power it on here, fire up a movie, got the heat going, a couple beverages. We'll put that all out in the bear box before we go to sleep, and got our bear spray right here handy just in case somebody comes and knocking in the middle of the night. What do you think, Penny?
This is all wrong. John sent me here to save you.
From the Terminator that was sent back to kill me, I know, but we already took care of it.
Well, good morning. Here we are, another day at the campsite here. We slept like a baby last night. Had the little heater going here. We only ended up having to use like 1 can of that fuel. Otherwise it got way too warm. So Penny's all ready. She's looking outside, seeing what's going on out there. Looks like another stormy day maybe, but we'll see what happens. Let's see what it looks like out this way. Yeah, just gray. We're gonna take a little hike today. Head up maybe to a waterfall. What do you think, Penny? You wanna go for a hike? We could go find some chipmunks. What do you think about that idea? Ooh, a little bit of storms on the horizon. Ooh, that looks pretty stormy. What's in store for us today, Penny? What do you think? She's checking it out already. She wants to see what's out there. She's up and at 'em, ready to go. What do you think? It's a little chilly out here. Let's see what the temperature is. Let's go see what the temperature. We're looking at, ooh, it's about 53 degrees. Huh. A little chilly. Didn't get to make a fire last night, but maybe we can make one this morning, Penny. I'm gonna fire up a little bit of coffee here and maybe some breakfast. And it looks like we have a little bit of break in the cloud activity, so we might have some sun for our hike up to the waterfall. You having some breakfast? Is that good, puppy? Blue skies are getting closer, and the coffee's almost ready, so things are looking up. Fresh coffee. Wow, look at that. That's exactly why you don't cancel your trip, because of a bad weather forecast, unless you're going on a boat. But look at this. It's going to turn into an insanely beautiful day up here in the mountains. Didn't have any bear visits last night. We're going to start a little fire here, and I'm going to cook up this dessert that I've been rained out on for the last 3 times I've gone. So we'll get that going. Then we're going to take an e-bike ride up to the lake trail access, and then hopefully hike out to this waterfall. So we got a great day planned. Stay with us. Add these 2 roasted marshmallows to that blueberry pie. Then I'm gonna bake the pie on the oven, or I mean on the fire. So it's gonna be a blueberry roasted marshmallow pie. I don't see how it could possibly go wrong. Okay, now I'm gonna add these 2 roasted marshmallows right to the blueberry. Oh, look at, okay. And Uh-oh, let's see what happens. The pie goes into the oven. And we'll see you when you're golden brown. Alright, here it is. 4 videos in the making. Woo, that is a blueberry marshmallow pie. Let's see the other side. Flip that baby over. Oh, look at that. There's all the telltale signs of the marshmallow. Let's cut that baby open and see what this thing's made of. Here it is. Marshmallow blueberry pie. Let's have a look at this bad boy. Okay, first of all, I can tell you right now that that pie filling was like molten lava. Wow. Somebody was watching me make this pie through the window here, and I think she wants a little bite, don't you? You want to try a little bite of this? Let's see. I gotta find you a piece. Hang on. Hang on. Okay, there you go. Ooh, what do you think about that? Oh no. Not on my mattress. Oh no. Is that good? Is that good, puppy? Yeah, it's good. Alright, we got everything packed up. Penny and I are going to hop on the bike and ride up to the trailhead up there at Cataract Lake, and then hike up to the falls, and we'll come back and grab the cabin after that and call it a weekend. But right now we got a beautiful hike ahead of us. Wow, look at this. Fall has arrived in the mountains. Wow. Look at those yellow leaves. I'll have to get a close-up of that. Heading down to the lake and then on to the waterfall. You can just catch the waterfall off in the distance there. That's where we're headed. Come on, Penny. Come on. Well, this hike is going to be incredible. Look at this. It just never ends. What do you think, Penny? Come on. falls. We're getting closer. A little ways to go yet. Whew. We're on the final stretch here. I can hear the water flowing, but I can't see it yet. Come on, Penny, this way. She's all kinds of squirrels and chipmunks, and she is on the prowl, aren't you, puppy? I can hear it. Ooh, there's some water. That's pretty cool, a little mini river. We made it. Ooh. Oh man, wow. Look at that. Wow. Hey, slow down there. I want to have a look. Wait a minute. Ooh, look at this. Wow. You see a chipmunk already? All right, we're headed back down and away from the falls. It's about a 1.8 mile trip back there, so we got to head back in about another 1.8 miles or so, and then we'll be on our way. You gonna make it, Penny? Come on. The trail gets a little rugged back in here. A lot of boulders. You gotta take it easy on each step, man. One toe catch and you could have problems. So, what an awesome hike, though. Wow, this baby really gets up here. We got a little bit of elevation gain on this side of the lake. The other side would have just been downhill, but this side we're climbing up and up and up. Oh well, the views are incredible. Woo! And you look at this, this old riverbed goes way up into the mountains. It's all dried out now, but you can see where the water poured down to the lake at some point, washed away all the foliage. It's an old river bed, I think. Maybe it flows at certain times of the year. And we just keep going higher, higher and higher. Woo! Look at that, that is a drop off and a half. Careful there, puppy. This side of the lake's pretty treacherous, but it's definitely easily doable. Just got to take each step nice and easy. Hold on there, Penny. Whoa, look at that shot of the falls. Ooh. We were just right down there. That's pretty cool. Wow. Fall is here. Fall is here. What do you think, Pan? We just got a little ways to go, I think. Right down there by those pine trees down there, and that's the end of the trail. Just a little further. Come on, we got about another, I think, half a mile or so. We can make it right through this beautiful forest. Wow, look at that. Well, we made it to the end. That was a fun hike. Absolutely beautiful. Hey, all right, you guys, we're going to end the video right here. Back at the beginning of the trailhead. Thanks for coming along. We had a great time this weekend. 2 days flew by fast. But we sure had some good adventures and some beautiful fall scenery. Penny is ready for a big drink of water, aren't you? Thanks for coming along. We'll see you guys on the next one.